So this tutorial is going to be for the original song Give You My All. It's a pretty simple song to play. It only has 5 chords to remember. So it's F, B flat, D minor, and C. And at the end of this song, you can play some inverted chords to make it sound a little fancier on the last I want to give you my all. Or if you're playing along with another ukulele player, you can be playing the inverted chords up higher. So the inverted chords for this would be, so the F is up here. You would bar the 5th fret and pinky on the 8th. So that is your F. And then your D minor would be same thing, just bar the 5th fret with your ring finger on the 4th string up top, 7th fret. So that's a D minor. Your C is just like a G shape, but on the 7th fret. And so, you know, that last I want to give you my all, you can play it D minor, C, and F. Or you can play it down here, D minor. And in this version of C, which is just like your B flat and your B, moving it up to the 3rd fret. So D minor, and then your F. So it gives a nice little step up. For those inverted scales, makes it sound a little a little fancier. Okay, so the strumming pattern on this will be a we'll just make an F chord and practice the strumming pattern. It'll be a down, palm mute. So down, palm mute, up, down, palm mute, up, down, up. So we'll go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. We're doing 2 palm mutes, down, palm mute, up, palm mute, for that down, and then up, down. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Once again, for that palm mute, the way that you do it is when you strum down with your ring finger, immediately after the strum, you mute the strings with your palm. So just so that the strings don't ring out, it just gives it that percussion sound. So. All right, so let's try to play this one through and see how it sounds. So, and you could also end that, I want to give you my all, like we talked about. So hopefully this gives you some ideas. It's not perfect, obviously, by playing it through, but hopefully it gives you some ideas so that you can play around with it and make it your own.